Good morning, everybody. This is the recording for both Wednesday, February 16th and Thursday, February 17th. So the first thing we're going to do, as always, is we're going to go into My Apps, and we're going to click on Schoology, and we're going to go, I'm going to borrow my friends in first period here. All right, so then we're going to go, remember, the recording for the lessons is always here. Sometimes they get a little mixed up here and there, but you can always... we work on keeping them kind of sorted for you, so you don't have to worry about that. There you go. So today's will appear here, as it'll be today and tomorrow. So you're going to go into the materials and you're going to click on the Do Now for today. So we're publishing today's Do Now. Okay. And then if you want the daily slides without the recording, so the item we're going to go over is now there, you're going to come in here into the Assignments tab. And you're going to go into the Review on Plate Tectonics. Okay, and you're just going to click on that. And you're going to answer these questions. So let's take a look at that. But first of all, let's do our Do Now. So our Do Now today is, what type of plate boundary is shown? Describe the crustal features that will form as these plates converge. So there's a clue in that one. And the word is converge. So convergent plates, correct. And what might we get? Oh, mountains for sure. So if you think of anything else, so you put one and you'll say the type, dash, and then whatever the feature. On number 2, there will be the what geological feature is located along the green line. So here's the green lines. And as we look, the numbers are going down. It's kind of gentle slope. It's a very gentle V shape. So is that a plateau? Is that a peak? So plateau would be a big flat area. So this might be a plateau. A peak would be that little bitty thing right there. This looks like a valley. Yep, a valley, not a depression, because remember the depression's going to have those little tick marks inside. So today we're going to review for your test, and then Thursday you're going to take the test. So we're going to review the evidence for plate tectonics and continental drift, plate boundaries, crustal features, and interpreting topographic maps. That you can identify and distinguish both theories for plate movement by their evidence. We can interpret plate movement as boundaries where land features can be made. We'll read and interpret topo maps and recognize how weathering and erosion affects land. That's all pretty huge stuff. Okay, so in Schoology, where I showed you, you're going to open the review and you're going to work for about 20-25 minutes individually on this, and then you're going to have about 10-15 minutes to work with a partner and check your answers, and then before you leave class, you need to submit your review. Okay, now tomorrow is when we will open the test. So let me show you where the test is so we can do that as well. We can have that conversation too. So tomorrow in assignments, there will be I'm going to show you in a different course. Oops. I go into my sandbox. And in another course, you're going to have this. This is going to show up, the Earth's changing surface. So you're going to click on that and you're going to follow it along in Performance Matters. Always remember when you're taking the test on Thursday is to do your best with the essay question, the short answer. The more you write, the more you give us, the more likelihood is you can fully explain your answers. All right? So we're going to go back to our things and we're going to talk about your exit ticket for today. And here's the directions for opening the DCA. It will be there. Okay. And then when we're finished, make sure that your digital notebook is complete, especially slide 11, which is continental drift, slide 13, which is plate boundaries, slide 14, the ring of fire, and the 23 through 25 topo maps. You will submit your digital notebook and complete anything you failed. And then there's going to be an ed puzzle on the atom. So make sure you've completed that. So you have other things to work on. So you just go back into your grades and here's where you would find those. Yours will say grades, not grade book. And you'll click on that and then there'll be a huge amount of stuff that drops down. If there's anything with just 2 simple dots, that means you owe us that work and you need to get that completed. All right. You guys have a great day and we will chat with you all on Friday.